So we're gonna play today. And I challenge myself that I will speak in English only. Yes. Hindi ko siya binabasa, be. Hindi ko siya binabasa. Promise. Okay. Name natin is... Yes na lang tayo. Like, my name... No. Okay. Okay. Enter age. I think we're 25. We're 10. One truth and one lie. Okay. Easy lang tayo. Let's play an easy. Okay. Oh my god! What is it? What is it? Oh my god! So, where's the key? Hinong-hilo na ako dito, be. Hinong-hilo na ako. Okay. Baka nandito yung key. Asan yung key?
A few moments later.
Need to find bedroom key to open the bedroom. Can't find the key. OMG, this is the key! This is the key! Kanina pa ako naghahanap. Doon pala yung key. Where's style? You know what I'm talking about? Unique style? Is that what you think of me? Unique style. I'm scared to hide. Oh! Labi, what may... Ba't may tao dun, be? Oh my god! Dito na ako, bahala na kayo dyan, ha? Dito na lang ako. I'm gonna stay at here, guys. I don't wanna play anymore. I'm gonna hear na. Charot. Malakas ako, boy. Malakas to, boy.
A few moments later.
I see this statue earlier, eh. Where's the statue? Okay. Oh my gosh, I found here. I found here, guys. I found here. Oh my gosh. This is statue. Statue. Where's the eye? Oh my god, I found the eye. Huh? What happened, guys? Okay. Oh my god, I thought.
Ako nito na?
My god, ano yun? Ay, akala ko ano yun. A rug. Do I need a rug, guys? Oh my god, may camera ako. Oh my god, may camera ako, guys.
Hindi ko kita! Alas ito. Manunood ka lang eh.
Okay. Wait, is that actually, is that, okay. I don't want that anymore. I don't want. Oh my god, it's so...
Scared.
Ayoko na ga.
Tingnan mo ba?
Ayoko na. And yun, guys, this is the end of my video. Thank you for watching. Ayoko na.